Greetings and salutations from the world's tallest drop tower and slingshot now at the Orlando Eye at Icon Park. So we're here today to ride the drop tower and the slingshot. So let's go. Look at that. We're here today to conquer this bad boy. Hold on, I want to go back. I want to go back that way because I want to.
Let's go do it.
All right, here we are.
This, not like this.
We are on the tallest drop tower in the world. Are you ready to ride this? It's going to be amazing.
We're not even halfway there. I'm so full.
This shit is taller than that,
Hey,
right?
we're not even
Yeah, it's taller than that. It's taller than that. This is the tallest thing here.
Jonathan, look how tall it is.
Oh man.
That purple one.
This is a big shot!
This is awesome. Look at the view from of Orlando up here.
It is pretty. Ooh, we're almost to the top. Are y'all ready? We're about to drop. We're about to drop.
Here we are at the top.
We're at the top.
Top of the world's tallest star or drop tower. If you want to call it star flyer.
Are y'all ready? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Oh.
We are even with planes!
Look at that. We're taller than the star flyer. We're taller than the Orlando Eye. You can see Disney.
We're about to go.
Look, there's Old Town.
Oh wow, it is.
What an awesome view.
We're about to drop.
No, we're gonna invert towards the ground and then we're gonna drop.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that happened.
The seats are gonna turn a little towards the ground first and then we're gonna drop.
That's the best part. Yeah, you get to see this.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh, look how close that thing gets to us. Oh man. Oh no, here we go. That was awesome. Woohoo! Yeah. That was so awesome. Oh.
Bro, I want to do it again.
Oh, I want to go again. That was so amazing. World's tallest drop tower. You have to do it. And that's going to do it for our adventures to just the drop tower tonight because unfortunately, didn't think about it, it's a Saturday night and of course it's super busy because it's amazing. Oh my goodness, that drop tower was so crazy. But we only got the drop tower in, but we'll be back to try the slingshot. There it goes. Look at that thing go. Oh man, so Can't wait to ride that one. The drop tower was 10 times better than any drop tower I've ever been on in my life. I highly suggest you come down here and ride it, and it's super cheap. For 20 bucks you can ride the drop tower and the Star Flyer right now. So I suggest you come on down here, and remember to like and subscribe if you like my adventures, and hit that bell notification so you know when I go on more adventures. And stay tuned because we are prepared for 2022. Lots and lots of videos coming up. Lots of exciting stuff coming up. So stay tuned. Later days.